Elon United States dollar exchanges close $0.00000025, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogelon Mars cost examination sort of is negative today in an in every practical sense, all things considered, significant way. Elon truly rose 1.42% in 7 days, or so they in a real sense basically thought. Elon's very intraday volume basically remains at $1,078,656, or so they essentially thought, which is genuinely critical. 14 September 2023. In this video we will in every way that really matters walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and truly attempt to answer these habitually sort of gotten clarification on some pressing issues facts. What for the most part essentially is momentary cost expectation for Dogelon Mars, sort of is Elon and all things considered, by and large wise speculation, or so they sort of thought. Dogelon Mars support and opposition levels and so on, which by and large especially shows that Elon's in every practical sense, intraday volume certainly for the most part remains at $1,078,656, in an all things considered, extremely enormous way. In any case, prior to plunging fundamentally in every practical sense, profound into the Elon specialized examination, sort of let us especially all things considered, discuss the entirely current economic situations, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking, or so they sort of thought. Market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there especially, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital money market to $1,053,907,408,331, or so they generally thought, which is very huge. The sort of certainly absolute exchanging volume really remains at $27,882,883,474, or so they in a real sense thought. Bitcoin shares 49.25% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner, as opposed to mainstream thinking, which in a real sense certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,637.30 level, after a vertical development of 1.81%, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a cost increment of 1.91%, coming to $1,627.95 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.14 following a value change of 0.64% inside a similar time span, which most certainly is very critical. XRP, the for the most part local coin of XRP, truly is up by 0.98 and presently exchanging at 49 cents. Or so they explicitly thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way, which is genuinely huge. These occasions basically show that the market in a real sense is going in a very descending heading for especially present moment, exhibiting how Dogelon Mars cost examination certainly is negative today in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a for the most part broad certainly in every way that really matters, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a significant manner. Dogelon Mars execution. The by and large day-to-day outline of Dogelon Mars, for the most part, shows that the Elon cost in a real sense basically has a by and large descending development with a 2.51% decline in lovely beyond 24 hours, showing how which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,637.30 level, after a vertical development of 1.81%, in an in every way that really matters, huge way. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars Elon coin basically is remaining at $0.00000025, with market capitalization $136,963,872 United States dollars. Essentially further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.14 following a value change of 0.64% inside a similar time period, which is very huge. Elon cost changes 1.42% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume really is drifting around $1,078,656 USD. WHO generally are the organizers behind Dogelon Mars, which fundamentally especially is genuinely huge. Very much like explicitly is the situation for its in every practical sense. More noticeable and sort of additional laid-out cousins, the originators behind this truly specific canine coin, sort of are obscure, showing how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. That explicitly is an all-around beautiful normal event for image coins, and financial backers especially are very much educated kind concerning, because of truly an expected level of investment with semi-secret coins, to truly try not to succumb to vindictive practices, like mat pulls and leave tricks. So elon sort of has been available for essentially a while, making the probability of the coin being a trick moderately little in a genuinely large manner. What in every practical sense makes Dogelon Mars special, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogelon Mars explicitly utilizes of diverting most certainly in every practical sense. Comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin, which really shows that as of now, an essentially broad especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the system and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home, with the assistance of the companions he's made during his certainly goes through the stars. Fundamentally lovely, a few essentially short comics truly are distributed on the coin site that fundamentally follow Dogelon on his undertakings to Mars, where he explicitly meets companions and goes on experiences, which by and that's what large shows however, prior to jumping commonly profound into the elon specialized examination, generally let us especially discuss the very current economic situations, which essentially is very critical. Dogelon Mars doesn't in a real sense have a guide essentially, yet rather fostered a dream variant through its comics, truly further appearance how yet prior to plunging profound into the elon specialized examination, really let us for the most part discuss the very extremely current economic situations, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. After the recolonization of Mars in 2420, Dogelon will entirely need to battle for especially endurance against the annihilators, which generally is very critical. This fantasized variant proposes that once the coin in a real sense is recorded on all very significant trades, the cost of elon will for the most part by and large reach Mars, or, in especially different words, it will exchange at a very much essentially a lot higher valuation. Truly beautiful further appearance. How Dogelon Mars doesn't for the most part have a guide in essence, yet rather fostered a dream rendition through its comics, truly further appearance how yet prior to jumping truly profound into the elon specialized examination, generally let us explicitly discuss the very lovely current economic situations, which fundamentally explicitly is genuinely huge. In any case, annihilators, by which the unpredictability of the crypto